Kokobiri. Or make her Kokobiri. We swear. It's all good. Hello, my people. How now they also not different. You get this video where I see you where Kokobiri wife do. I go play small. I go play and the video not too long. I go play am for now. Now so he do this short video. Now no say blessing CEO with Izzy. Then get their boss bass. He don't tell where they get the boss bass. Then go still stop. Then go still start. Now I don't they hot well. And when I know say when something like this they hot like this, Kokobiri wife he go put head for his side. Una know now. He know the face Izzy direct. Oh no. He no go face Izzy direct. Now when he see say blessing CEO with a blessing, don't they get she go call like community, she go call go a blessing side say, blessing, I'm supporting you. Blessing, I'm supporting you. We all know why she they doing. We know. Not me say they support blessing because he say one supporter. And because of say Izzy don't fair big time boss bass. On a vola, on a vioyobo. We know all these things. Everybody know the way Kokobiri wife tell they do something. Now because of that one, now she come they like pretend say she like blessing. Blessing, now you don't know yourself. You don't know what then they call a cyberspace. Like say you know you for your kukuma there your side. You see that Kokobiri wife, just they play. You just say it just there your side because of say it they help you not lie. And because of say Izzy don't fair, it don't break your head, break your hand. Now it make her. If you see say you with her they do, she go like one make she can't enter inside. So now she can't do this short video. They tell people, make them go follow Blessing CEO Telegram. Make them go from there. Blessing CEO go contact people and they want to go report Izzy page. Can you imagine? So person, you with person, they do boss bass. Now they do saga. You not feel follow her. You want go they hide. When they tell people, make them go follow Blessing CEO for Telegram. So that they now come they report Izzy page. Not be shame with that one. Kokobiri wife, why you be like this? The time when you never come, so you first still do one. You go they hide, they go they sign petition. Person where one, mona consign, made them for do the one that one where they for UK, made them for do and something, I be made them for the portal. Now the same thing that you see they do now. Why you be like that? Why you be like that? You see, everybody don't know the kind of person where you be. Everybody don't know. If you see the comment where did that video, my people. If you see the comment that people they insult them, waiting that's what you be. This one, if you go there, go see the comments. I was forced to go there. One person son I can't give me because me and on the 2 months they go this their side. I was forced to go there. Say me I go see this video. I say send them me I say. When I send them, when I really go see now comment. If you see comments, in your blast only that comment alone, Kokobiri, you need to know say people not like you. If you dey do saga. What's it beyond this one where you best say, make the best say you like a blessing. Where you for like her? Blessing even care whether you did. Now because I say you dey carry your head confront, then make a blessing like sometimes you go see they share you. After this one, you say go even remember you. Maybe he give you 100,000 now, but did they catch you? Or more deal now you be. Senior, now you say you be. Senior, where be say no, you know even they do like senior. He said, "May I go the reports? Mona, may not be like saying I me call the talker. Mona just listing. Where we here? Mona the here.
Please, if you have not followed Blessing CEO Telegram handle, go and follow the handle of Blessing CEO. Follow the handle, please. Wherever you are seeing this video. Please share the video to others. Follow the handle. Go into the Telegram. See what is happening there. Join and please do as you are advised to do. Yes, Izzy Ogbeide is doing too much.
Can you imagine?
The bully is not stopping. She's continuing to inflict bully on Blessing CEO. Whatever is going to take us to take Izzy Ogbeide page down must be done.
Why you not take this action the time when they blast you that time? Why you not take the action? Why can't be saying Nana Blessing CEO you want to hide for them? He blast you for this social media on a legal way. Why you not going to take the action? Una see? Jesus, maybe we listen.
Whatever is going to take us to report Izzy Ogbeide back must be done. Whatever is going to take us...
Not be today start to this report where they do underground. Not be today. The time we never even come, don't they do one? This get depression, he gets... I don't know whether he even get medicine. I don't know whether he get medicine.
To fix Izzy Ogbeide. Even if it's going to take us the whole of our salary. Izzy Ogbeide is doing too much.
China the year, even though it's going to take una salary, if you una see comment where they there, they say, what did they worry this one? Because I say they not get job. That make una think say people they colo like the way one say they colo. Not be everybody. As me you're big rich now, you can't tell me say me I go they report people page. For waiting now, what it concern me? Not be there the fight. If the fight finish the entire house. Which one can be my own? You can't send me. I know say someone there go. And you can't send me. I can't to call go. And me I go report somebody. And what it concern me? Not be the bellyful. They want make the food where they eat. They want make it digest. Not be that they do both bad. If you not fit, you know sit down for his ass. If you not fit, you sit down for his ass. So which one you can't tell people? Make them go follow. Make them call. What done it?
She continued to drag Blessing CEO for no reason. She continued to feed on Blessing CEO every day. She's not facing her business. She don't want to work in the UK.
Abemona asked me whether this one they face a business. What you concern the saga where two of them they do. They call you for them. They call you for them. If you not feel look, you rest now. Me, I not there yet. I not the senior. What you concern me? If you not fight, finish you not task. If they say they want task, may they continue. When she want to come in my if I want to talk, I talk. If I don't want to talk, I come on. Where you want munya? You can't carry a cookie. You put her for your head. You they carry, they go. Make people come. Make they can't go the report. Wait, China see. All these people will be say they know they think twice before they'll say they want to go report people page. You see, now make kind their go down. Me, I know they pity them. Page where be say if you define even 100 followers, you know we'll see. China the year. What damn it? Evil.
She don't want to live her life like a normal person. Whatever is going to take us, please let's put our hands together, put our money together. Izzy Ogbeide, we need to look.
The money use and go give people where be say hungry, they beat, give them food. Not be told they say mail na come, whatever it will take. Oh God! And this one will talk say she go school, she dey educated. What it concern the issue of both of them because of say the paper body where is affected give you both bars. Now because of that one, I don't understand. If you say you want sagaran, they sagaran for you all for them. If they tell people if you not send a lemon go a page, wanna go look for this video. See, me I show now this video. See, wanna go there, wanna go see the comment where people say what did they do this one.
Whoever, whatever it is to touch, Izzy Ogbeide 2 pages must go down. They must go down for the sake of the word she has raised on social media.
And you all no go down. You all no go down. You was past Izzy. You was past Izzy. Not be lie. Who call you for the issue? That's yet you were money. They not call you for yourself. Which one you can't carry a cookie? Can't they sell it? They go now. Now this one, I mean not they like you. Now this one, many people say not say they like you. If you want to talk for this, you talk put. Which one you call they come and they say, oh, may a blessing go say thank you, God bless you. You are doing no lie. Blessing no say he get your pain. A pain or who when then you they like you they bring come out because the thing where she do you that time, the thing not go down. Now make you they do all these things. But they do this one, make people for say you like them. I like a blessing. Why you be saying with blessing if they get issue now then you they don't come out? Why you not face and direct? Why you be say just call and say Izzy la regiment dogbina? Even that one don't even talk say you know he don't beat you, don't throw away you, even don't make you they cry. You see say don't ever answer you, no answer you. What it concern you concern? Is a blessing where be say one do saga, you not ready? What it can concern you? Eh? And don't mind whether if you now see the comments and the thing really sweets me as I read the comments, I was forced to come and do this video. Don't be lie. See comment where they tell the blast up and down. So you the thing say we not get sense. You the thing say we not get what you want do. For me now, can't take my time, can't go Telegram, want go report person page. What it concern me? Now me and you they get misunderstanding. Even though say I get one-on-one with you, not be with your page. I get my mouth. Not be with your page. Evil people now so they operate. They want to destroy that thing. For your men now, if you can't destroy a page, you not go open another one. Easy a kia and then they talk about so I beg you, may you shift, may you go one corner. Senior daughter way not knowing left and right. See what you can now this one now you can't do for live video. If blessing just still finish now, you go just still wrong, go one corner. If blessing no want talk again now, this girl now not hear voice again, you go just hide. What do you belly? I bet more let me share this video down and like. You too they do underground bad thing. evil thing, it too for your hand. The page you gonna report.